Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JABRA Elite 7 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily create your own music equalizer preset. At first you have to open up and wait a moment. Here you have to scroll a little down and click in music preset on this plus over here. Here you can modify your equalizer like you want to do, and after that you have to click on save over here. Here you can choose the name of your equalizer and then click save. And if you go back, you will see your equalizer preset over here. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.